Hey, this is JNM with a video on how to use the wireframe overlay in Blender 2.8, and I use it here for Boolean operations. First I add a new object, a cylinder, and I want to cut with a circle shape into this object. I increase the number of vertices to 64, and I want to show that it could be hard to find a good position for your Boolean cut when you don't see the edges of the object in object mode. Okay, now I'm scaling the object a bit in edit mode and also add some insets, just to create a shape for which it is not that easy to place a good Boolean cut. I also add this black material, and then I open the primitive mode of my Fast Carve add-on. If you don't know this add-on, it's a Boolean helper. I added the link to the description. And now let's assume that I want to cut at about this location here. But to do this, we should know where the edges are, because when your cut is too close to an edge, this leads to bad geometry. So what I do now is I open the overlays in the toolbar, and here you can see in the geometry section we can activate the wireframe and also increase the intensity. Okay, and now I snap the view. Press 5 on the numpad to switch to orthographic view. And then I press the G key to set the position of the circle, which is a primitive that comes with the Fast Carve add-on. I try to find now a position that isn't too close to the model's edges. This looks good, and then I press the E key to extrude the primitive. And what you can do to see how deep you will cut into the model is to change to the wireframe mode and then, for example, snap the view to right auto. Then I go back to look dev mode and press Ctrl left click to cut into the model. And here you can see this seems to be a good cut. It renders nicely, there are no shading artifacts. And after that I go ahead and symmetrize this for the X and the Y axis. Alright, then we can add a bevel by pressing the button Bevel Object of the Fast Carve add-on. And to disable all the overlays, you can press this button here in the toolbar. Okay guys, this was again a short tip on how to use the wireframe in combination with Boolean operations. I hope you like it and find it useful, and if you like my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. If you want to support me, consider being my patron. This would really help a lot. Thanks for this, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.